I'm Darcy Towers of Coventry University's grounds team, and I'm here today with my colleague Stuart Grundy to show you how to build a hedgehog home. Here we go. Here on the grounds team, we have been creating greener spaces to encourage biodiversity and wild places for wildlife across the campuses. Hedgehogs have been on the decline in the UK for a number of years now and have been listed vulnerable on Britain's Red List of mammals by the Mammal Society. According to Warwickshire Wildlife Trust, numbers have fallen up to 30% in urban areas and 50% in rural areas. To help these spiky critters out, we have joined a nationwide initiative to make our university a hedgehog-friendly campus. Now let's get on and show you how to make a home for a hedgehog in your garden. To keep it simple, we have used bits and bobs from around the garden or outdoor space. No tools or carpentry skills are needed. Step 1. In your garden, choose a quiet space near a bank, wall, hedge or fence, away from pets, and face the entrance away from north or northeast. This will help avoid those cold, wintry winds. Also, once the house is in place and completed, don't be tempted to keep checking on it to see if anything is in residence. Hedgehogs are not keen on nosy neighbours. Stuart has begun by using breeze blocks, or you can use bricks, to create the basic structure, building up a little layout. He has made a simple shape with a tunnel entrance, no bigger than 13 centimetres in height and width. Step 2. To make it more inviting, pack the inside with straw, if you have any, or dry leaves like we have. In our entrance, we've added a couple of more bricks just to make the gap slightly smaller, to accommodate those small little hedgehogs. Step 3. You want to cover the structure with a roof. We have used some wood that we had found laying around and secured it with some bricks to keep it watertight. A better option could be a paving slab. This will be extra watertight and keep everything inside nice and dry. Step 4. Cover the structure with brash, such as old plant material, dry leaves, logs, branches, etc., to hide and camouflage the structure, but keep the entrance clear. And there you have it, a simple hedgehog home. Thanks for listening and watching. If you liked the vid, let us know by our social media platforms. Search Cov Uni Grounds Team on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Till next time, keep safe.